Okay, so today we're going to take a look at how to create this fairy's wings flutter. Okay, so to create this, I used Vital, and I didn't use any of the oscillators. I just used the sample oscillator here, and I chose the white noise. So the first thing I did is that I just lowered the level all the way down, and I used LFO 1 to control the level. As you can see, I used the pulse series shape, and this gives me this type of movement in the level, which if I turn off filter 2, it just sounds like this. So not very pleasant, but once you activate filter 2, you get a much duller sound and smoother as well. Now I also wanted to change the frequency at which the LFO1 is running. So the base frequency is at 0.090 seconds, and the lowest it will be to 0.070, around that. So to change that, I'm using random 1 on the frequency of the LFO1. And as you can see in the video, the fairy is making very subtle movements, but I wanted to reflect that with some movements in the sound as well. So that's why I assigned random 1 to the filter cutoff, so that every time that she moved or she had some movements, that will be reflected in the sound as well. Now, depending on what you're working on, you might want to change the filter cutoff here. I'm using a lot of high frequencies, but if you wanted to reduce the high frequencies, if it doesn't reflect what you're seeing in your visuals, whatever project we're working on, you can change that by just changing the shape of the filter here. So in this case, you're reducing more of the higher frequencies instead of having this. If you wanted to have less of the higher frequencies, you can just go all the way down with this slider. You can mix it a little bit and add more of the higher frequencies, or add more of the lower frequencies, whatever works for your project. In my case, it worked that I had a little bit of the higher frequencies here and no resonance at all, and the cutoff to be around this point here. All right, let me know what you think in the comments and stay well.